What's going on YouTube? Modeling that back at you with a quick update here on the Marty Robbins build. So I've gone through, got all the paintwork touched up, and started the decal process. Just wanted to show you guys that. Went ahead and also worked on the wheels, trying a couple techniques. I think I'm going to let this dry and I might redo it entirely. Get the yellow down first, line the wheel with masking tape, and then spray the center hub, just to do it that way instead. Either way though, I'm probably going to go ahead and use Tamiya's Dark Dirt wash once it's all dried and stuff like that. As I really like that look that it has. It looks pretty much just like the real car, so yeah. May come back in, and like I said, I know there's a couple things I need to fix on this one and this one, so I may leave this one and the one that's on the back there alone. Oops, just realized it was out of shot. So probably I'll leave this one and then the one that's on the back of the car here all alone, and then just touch up these two for the opposite side. So the frame, got it all done, went ahead and got the Panther Pink sprayed over the black, and then just the white styrene, so you can really see the contrast in shades of the base coat for the gravity colors. So, and then I went ahead and sprayed in flat black on the bottom of the chassis itself, just to get that in. So yeah, definitely moving right along. Probably will have this thing in with decals and clear on it by the end of the weekend, letting that set to dry for at least 48 hours, and then we'll be proceeding on. So yeah, hopefully you guys have been enjoying it. Any questions, comments, definitely post them down below, and I will catch you in the next one. Peace.